Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you about how we can fix critical error issue that might arise or may arise in your WordPress website. Now for that what we require to do is we need to log into our SSH if you are using Google Cloud, and let's say if you are using GoDaddy or maybe Hostinger or any kind of these kind of services, then it will be a lot easier for you because you simply need to go to your file manager and then simply change the plugin folder. The same we are going to do here in Google Cloud. So I just started my SSH client, and now we will be typing here ls, which is simply going to list all the folders and files in our instance. And now I will type cd apps because the WordPress directory is inside the apps. Now again I will type ls and then I can see my WordPress directory. Now let's write cd WordPress, and again I will write ls so that I can understand which directory I need to go in. Then I will type cd hdtalks and again ls. Now again we will go inside a WP content, again ls. Now let's go inside plugin, and I remember I updated few plugins such as Max Button, and what I need to do is I need to change the name of Max Button. So how we're gonna do that? We need to type command which is mv. So I will write mv Max Button, which is my old name, and the new name. So basically we are changing the folder inside which the plugin is there. Now I think I need to write sudo because here it comes the permission denied. So I will type sudo and then old name and the new name. So here let's write it like this, and now we can see we have successfully renamed it. Now let's check our website whether this have fixed our problem or not. Now here we can see our problem still remains same. Instead of changing the name of particular plugin, let's rename the entire plugin folder. And now I can see my website work fine, and in plugin section we can see all our plugin got deactivated because it shows that plugin doesn't exist because we have renamed the plugin folder. Now what we basically will be doing, we will again change the plugin folder name from plug to plugins back. The reason behind that, all your plugins are already deactivated due to an error in our last step. Now you can check which plugin caused this WordPress critical error, and then you can delete that plugin or maybe figure out how you can fix it, or maybe how you can use it. So in this way you can fix your WordPress website critical error. However, this method may or may not work for you, but this is one of the major reasons of getting WordPress critical error. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.